Today we're making Madeleines. These are a classic tea time treat, a tender little cake. But what separates a shell-shaped cake from a Madeleine is the quite dramatic and much sought after bump. The Madeleine bump. It's like a little pregnant sugar baby. It comes down to formulation, baking technique, and it's a point of pride amongst pastry chefs to achieve a really proud and tall bump. Anyway, I hope you enjoy. So we're adding our flour to the bowl, along with caster sugar, baking powder, a pinch of cinnamon. We're going to give this just a light whisk to combine. I'm just whisking this is my version of sifting. I think sifting is a bit useless and messy, so dispersing the baking powder, breaking up any light lumps. So we add our milk, and then the olive oil, golden syrup, and some lovely vanilla paste. And then we are whisking this. Just want to whisk this together until everything's combined and there are no lumps. We then want to pour our batter into a piping bag. And this next step is quite important because this is where we're going to rest our batter and chill it. I like to put my batter in the freezer for 20 to 30 minutes. This allows the gluten to relax and chills the center of the dough, which is essential for that much sought after little baby bump. So into the freezer. And then we need to preheat our oven nice and hot, but please remember, no fan for Madeleines. This is essential to getting a nice bump that's not lopsided, because a fan will do that. It'll push the bump over or give you a Madeleine that's kind of chubby on one side only. So chill your dough, preheat the oven with no fan to 230. Now to finish, I've got my nicely chilled and rested dough. Just want to pipe this into the mold, but leaving a little bit from the top, so not too full. So I like to just go once across. And now watch this. We'll let our Madeleines cool for 3 to 5 minutes. They'll still be warm, but we want to turn them over so that they don't sweat in the bottom. We just gently peel them off the base and turn them on their side. These are just such a classic treat. I like to glaze them as well, so like a light water icing, dip them in a citrus glaze, a vanilla glaze. It's a tender little cake, perfect with a cup of tea or coffee. Okay, well, that is how you make a Madeleine.